everybody, welcome back to episode 25 of Rattle Together, where we achieve success through respect, ambition, tenacity, trustworthiness, loyalty, and empathy. I'm Miss Burns, and this is our science episode for the day. Today we are going to do some fun things. Before we do, though, let's answer yesterday's riddle and give you today's. So yesterday I asked you, why do lions eat raw meat? The answer is, nobody taught them how to cook. It's more of a joke, really. I mean, it was just a silly one. Today's riddle, let me peek, what did I think? Oh, this one is a riddle. What goes up but never comes down? Think about that one for tomorrow. What goes up but never comes down? All right, so first thing we're going to do is check on our crystals that we were growing, our salt crystals that we started growing yesterday. And when I went to the fridge and I saw this, I was like, oh no, nothing's happening. But I'm going to actually pour out the liquid that's, actually when I'm pouring it out, let's watch it. I think that there are some crystals in there. I don't know if you can see in there, there are some crystals starting to form. It's even better in this one, in this jar, so I'm actually going to do the same thing. I'm going to pour it out so you can see in there the crystals that are forming. Can you see that? They're forming on the side of the glass too, or the vase too, but there are definite crystals in there. It's hard to tell. It's hard to see them. But there they are. Crystals. They're really cool looking. You see that? Awesome. So I don't know if I should put them back in the fridge, put the liquid back in, or what. I'm just going to move it out of the way for now, though. And actually, moving it out of the way onto this thing, and I'm going to show you for the very last time this one. And then I will toss this later. Our stalactites and stalagmites. Look at that. Look at all that. Oh, just a bunch of it just fell onto my desk. So much formed. It's really cool, huh? All right, definitely going to toss that today. It's very cool to watch, but I think it's done. All right. So that was that. Now for today's experiment, or not experiment, project, we're going to make a little ball float. So what you'll need is a piece of aluminum foil. Doesn't have to be a big piece, just a little piece of aluminum foil. A bowl, a cup, something round that you can trace. Which reminds me, hang on a second. I forgot a pencil. Yeah. Here is my pencil. Oh yeah. All right. Ridiculous. All right, so here's my pencil. You're gonna need a pencil, a pair of scissors, and 2 pieces of paper. Hopefully this is gonna work out. So if you have grown-up permission to do this project with us, you can pause the video, get your 2 pieces of paper, pencil, scissors, something round to trace, aluminum foil, and tape. That's all you need for today. All right, let's get started. So first we're gonna make a funnel. And to do that, we're gonna trace our bowl. I'm gonna use the yellow paper for the funnel part. Okay, I'm gonna trace the bowl. Tracing the bowl. Oops, there we go. And then I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna cut out my circle. You see my circle? Ooh, isn't it beautiful? Such a beautiful circle. It's like the sun, so bright and shiny. I wish we could go outside, walk around town, do something fun in the sun. You can still kind of go on hikes as long as you stay away from other people, right? Can't go to the playground. Please don't go to the playground. The other day, actually, speaking of going to the playground, I was walking on the bike trail with my daughter. She was practicing using her rollerblades, and there were a ton of kids, you guys, at the playground. Please don't go to the playground. It is not safe yet. I don't want you to get sick. Okay, here's my circle. So I want to cut from the edge to the center. So how do you think we can find the center of this circle? Yeah, folding it. We're going to fold it in half this way and then this way, and hopefully that will give us a center point. So folding it in half, lining it up. Okay, that's one, and I'm going to fold it this way so that the crease is on top of the crease. Folding it. You guys know how to fold by now. You slide back, you slide out. Now I see that my center is right there. So I'm going to make a little point for my center so that I know. And I'm going to cut along one of these lines, just one, from here to here. All right. It does not matter which crease you cut on, but only cut one so that it's like this. Then you're going to do this. It doesn't matter which way, this way or this way. You're going to fold it over and you're going to tape. Take a piece of tape and you tape it. Oh yeah. Alright, so this is my funnel. It's a little bit triangular because I folded it to find the center. And I'm going to fold it kind of like this, just press it down so that I can cut out a little notch here in the middle. So just cut like the bottom off of that. Alright, so now we have our funnel part. We're going to leave that up to the side. We can decorate this if we want, guys. We can draw on it, make it like, ooh, you know how I said it was the sun? I'm going to make it be a sun. Guys, I just got super sidetracked. But I'm going to cut some triangles out because they're going to be my sunshine rays. Triangles, just like the sun. No, that doesn't work. Triangles are lots of fun. Look at how beautiful my triangles are. I don't know how many I should make. Probably. I'll make a couple big ones too. That'll help. I can't believe how easily off track I am. Oh my goodness. You guys know it. That's just the way I roll, right? Ooh, I like this one. This like just happened to go like that. That's really sun-like. So I'm just gonna tape these on since I have my tape. I'm gonna tape them on the side. Tape it on. Oh no, I'm making a mess with the tape. Alright, well, so much for that piece. We'll try another one. Put another one on, tape that on. Oh yeah, look at this, guys. I might not keep going all the way around because it's going to take up a lot of our time. But I'm just showing you that you can decorate this funnel. You can have fun with it. I'm going to keep going here. I'm just going to tape these few on and then be done with it. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give the dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played 7. Doesn't this look like a sun? I mean, not really, but kind of. It doesn't. Oh no, this piece of tape got all taped. Yeah, fold it up. There we go. Let's see. Let's see. I see, said the flea. But why, said the fly? Not now, said the cow. Man, Miss Burns is a little bit on the silly side all the time, huh? So I would just need a few more, but I'm not going to do it. See how pretty our sun is? Okay, I'm going to put my sun with half of its rays over there. And I'm going to take our other piece of paper. Now, I'm going to take this paper and I'm going to fold it in half. Hot dog. Hot dog. Like that. Line up the edges and the corners. Slide my finger from the middle back and then slide it out and slide it out. What we're doing right now is we're going to make a straw. If you have a plastic bendy straw, you could just use that too. I forgot to mention that. But I don't like plastic straws because they are bad for the environment. So I thought it'd be easy enough to make our own. And I'm going to now fold this edge to the middle crease. Okay. Now I'm going to cut on my creases. I'm going to cut here. And here. If you need a grown-up to help you cut, do not feel sad about it. It is just the way life is sometimes, right? And then I'm going to make my straw a little bit shorter. I don't think I need that long of a straw, so I'm going to fold it down, cut this piece off. And I'm going to start with this, and I'm going to roll it. I'm going to use my pencil and roll it around my pencil. That's even better, right? Rolling it around the pencil. And then I'm going to take a piece of tape and tape it together. You can use glue also. Glue would be better, but you know, I don't have any right next to me. All right, there's my straw, the start of my straw. I want to make it bend up. So I'm going to do the same thing again with my short piece. Actually didn't need this piece at all, huh? I'm going to roll it around the pencil and then put tape on it to hold it together in that straw shape. And then here's where it's going to get tricky, guys, and I hope that we are able to do this. I'm going to bend. I'm going to put a little bend in it, a little kink. And I'm hoping, yep, I can still feel air go through it. So I'm going to put those two together. It's got my lipstick on it now. And I'm going to tape these together. You actually don't even, you could just hold it this way too. But I'm going to tape these two together. I'm going to stick one inside the other. It's paper, so you can do that. Tape it together. Make it bend up. And then I'm going to put it through that hole that we made earlier. And I'm going to tape, oops, I might need to make my hole a little bit bigger. So there we go. Not a problem, right? Hole's a little bit bigger. Putting my straw through. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, and I'm going to tape that. Kind of looks straight. I probably could have just bent the longer piece, but it's fine. I chose not to do that way, and that's okay. So I'm just kind of taping it on, taping the straw to the funnel. And so it looks like this inside with the straw sticking up and this. And now if I go like this, see, it didn't work anyway. Has to be straight or else I cannot feel my breath. You got to be able to feel the air. Now you're going to take a little piece of your aluminum foil and you're going to make a little ball with it. Roll it into a ball. Isn't it so shiny and beautiful? And just put your ball right on top of your straw. Balance it like this. And I'm going to get down on the ground so that it doesn't have to be, actually I'm going to hold it up. Uh-oh. Mine's not working. So what's supposed to happen, it's like losing my little ball, is that when you blow through the straw, the air that's coming out of the straw should hold up your little aluminum foil ball. Even if I hold it straight up in the air like that, it didn't work. But it's still fun. Look what we can do with it. If yours worked, that's awesome, and I would love to see pictures of it. So show me that. Show me all the pictures of your working funnels, since mine didn't work. But look, I can still like play a game with it. I can still, whoop, look at that. Right? Why not? Try and get it to land on the middle. I can't do it. I'm just kidding. I probably can if I keep trying. So it's at least a game where you can just kind of put the ball in and spin it around and toss it around and see if you can get it to land on the center. Hey, at least we tried. That's what counts, right? Send me pictures, send me videos. Let me see if yours works, because maybe yours will work. I know that we've done lots of things where it didn't work out for me right away, and then it worked out later, or it worked out for some of you, but not for me. So I'd love to find out. You can send me your stuff in my email, rburns, rburns@kusd.org. You can find us on Facebook by typing Rattle Together into the search bar, or fb.me/rattletogether, RATTLE, to get her, TOGETHER. Message me by clicking the message button there, or m.me/rattletogether, period, RATTLE, to get her, TOGETHER, period. Don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button and share this with all your friends. I hope you're all well. I love you and I miss ya. Mwah.